Have you ever felt there's something incredible inside of you, but no blueprint, no map, no clear way to bring it out? That was me for years. I'd dream up castles in my mind, but I'd never lay the first brick. Alcohol tricked me into thinking it was the mortar, or some type of magic glue, the key to the flow state. But over time, the bottles became the only thing building up around me. A hollow fortress, a kingdom of nothing. I thought I was constructing, but really, I was crumbling. Now, here I am, sitting outside with a box of plastic castle parts for my 1-year-old daughter. Piece by piece, a kingdom is taking shape. And I realize sobriety is the same way. And so is fatherhood. There's no manual, no perfect order, no step-by-step guide. You figure it out as you go. One sober day at a time. One late night diaper change. One new choice. One new foundation at a time. Since the day she came home from the NICU, my daughter's been teaching me. She reminds me how to wonder, how to see the world fresh again. Through her eyes, I remember what steady feels like, what magic feels like, and I'm grateful because I almost missed out. When I put the bottle down, I realized it had been stealing all my bricks. Now my body feels stronger. My mind is healing. I can actually see projects through. If you've been where I've been, you know the lie. Alcohol whispers like a broken-hearted ex, "You can't live without me. You'll never finish this without me." But it's not true. You don't need the instructions. You don't need perfection. You just need to keep showing up. One brick at a time. One piece at a time. I'm not just building a toy castle. I'm building a life that my daughter can climb on. A life that she can trust to hold her steady. Sobriety is the foundation. Fatherhood is the walls rising up. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to keep growing. So if you're holding your own box of scattered bits, unsure of where to start anyway. The shape of the castle reveals itself over time. And one day, you'll look back and see you weren't just snapping pieces together. You were building a kingdom. Keep showing up, one brick, one choice, one day at a time. Thanks for your support, just by watching.